The matter between the government of Dominica and Cabral Douglas, the son of late former Prime Minister Roosevelt Douglas, seems to be far from over. Douglas, whose application for leave to sue the government was denied by the Caribbean Court of Justice, is seeking to overturn the court's decision by filing a complaint to the Regional and Judicial Legal Services Commission based in Trinidad. He filed suit against the government after he had contracted Jamaican artist Leroy Russell, better known as Tommy Lee Sparta, to perform at a concert that was scheduled for February 2014 in Portsmouth. However, Russell, along with 3 other Jamaicans, Junior Frazier, O'Reilly Russell, Mario Wallace, were all denied entry into Dominica. Douglas sought damages in the sum of $3 million US, alleging that his rights under the revised Treaty of Chaguaramas were breached, claiming that this infringement caused him consequential financial, reputational, and other loss. In his letter to the RJLSC, Douglas pointed out several irregularities regarding his case. CBN4 was able to get a hold of him and spoke with him on the matter.
The list is quite exhaustive, but the most significant irregularity is clearly the presence of the president of the court, Sir Dennis Byron, at the Heads of Government meeting in Guyana on the 17th of February 2017. The same meeting was attended by the defendant Prime Minister, and the decision, the announcement that they had come to a decision, was rendered from this very meeting attended by the judge and the defendant in the proceeding. This is highly irregular. This is highly improper. This is not acceptable in any jurisdiction around the world by any judge, whether it be magistrate court judge, high court judge, appeal court judge. And we bring this to the attention of the Regional and Judicial Legal Services Commission, first and foremost, to maintain the integrity of the court as a court that has presented itself as a court capable and competent to replace the Privy Council throughout all of the jurisdictions of the Caribbean, be it Dominica, be it Jamaica, be it St. Kitts and Nevis, be it Antigua. This is a court that has demonstrated in its very first decision coming from Dominica that it's not capable of rising above politics. And that's very unfortunate for justice around the Caribbean.